The way we understand our world is changing. Advanced sensors gather Earth observation data from above the planet's surface 24 hours a day, every day. Our technology is used to interpret that data. Introducing eCognition, the world's most advanced geospatial analysis software. eCognition is designed to improve, accelerate, and automate your geospatial analysis. It facilitates environmental monitoring. It guides resource development. It improves infrastructure management. And it supports global security. eCognition imports and fuses a variety of geospatial data for analysis, such as raster images, LiDAR point clouds, and GIS vectors. By sequencing analysis logic into a structured series of steps, an eCognition user creates a computer-based representation of their own interpretation process. eCognition then combines the analysis logic with scalable computing power to identify changes over time or features on the Earth's surface across very large sets of data. At the heart of this process is a sophisticated approach toward identifying the objects contained within geospatial data and structuring them into an interrelated network. This approach is referred to as Object-Based Image Analysis, or OBIA. This unique approach has proven invaluable to thousands of users across the globe who collaborate and share knowledge using the eCognition online community. eCognition. The way we understand our world is changing.